Hello, dear children. Now, we are still in exercise 5.3. So, this is your question number 3. Find the cube roots of the following numbers. So, cube roots, how to find it? Same process. We have to find the, find it through prime factorization. Okay. Or you can do the long division method also. But this prime factorization is the appropriate, and you will get the answer very uh, precisely. Okay. Anyway, so you have to find the prime factorization of 343 and 64. Okay, you will do that part in the rough column. Okay, so I just want to tell you that this 343 and 64, as I can see from here, it should be a uh, cube root. Okay, so the first will be, this 343. Okay, it cannot be divided by 2, first of all, because the last number is 3. Okay, and this number cannot be divided by 3 because 3 plus 4 plus 3 is equals to 10, and this 10, it cannot be divided by 3, so forget about it. And since this number, it cannot be divided by 2, so it cannot be divided by 4 also. Okay, 5, it's not possible, because in the table of 5, we cannot see the last number to be 3. Okay, the last number, that is the number which is present at the units place, will either be 0 or 5 all the time. Okay, so 5 is not possible. 6 is also not possible, because this number, it cannot be divided by 2 and 3. So if a number cannot be divided by 2 and 3, hence the same number, it cannot be divided by 6 also. Now remains is 7. Okay, so let us see how many times it is going. It will go 49 times, and we know that 7 sevens are 49. Okay, we get 1 out here. So let me just draw a line. Okay, let me just draw another line out here. Okay, sorry. Okay, yeah. Okay, so 343 equals 7, 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, so for a cube root, there must be repetition of the same number for 3 times. Okay, so 7 is the cube root of 343. Okay, it can also be expressed as this. Let me just show you out here. Yeah, 343 equals 7. Okay, understood? Okay, now let us move on to the next number, 64. We know that this number can be divided by 2 very simply. Okay, it will go up to 32 times, and again this 32 can be divided by 2 16 times. Okay, again this number can be divided by 8, and 2 4 times is 8, and 2 2 times is 4. Okay, so 64 is equals, let me just write out here. So it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, yeah, so there are 6 2's out here. Okay, now what you will do is that you will find a pair, because for a cube root there must be the repetition of the same number for 3 times, right? So 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 2, 4 into 4. Okay, so ultimately we can say that 4 is the cube root of 64. Okay, and this can be written as this 64 to 4. Okay, I hope you have understood now. You will just draw a line and draw these lines. Okay, okay, let me just show you. Let me just draw this. Okay, roughly, let's draw a line. Okay, keep on drawing the lines as you do the sum. You can do this in the rough column, okay, or you can also show out here. Okay, it will be better if you show uh, every step how you are getting your answer. Okay, so this is how you will solve question number 3a. Okay, and the same process you will apply in question number b, in question number c, and question number d also. First of all, you will convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction and then follow the same steps. Okay, and remember that in the cube root there must be the repetition of the same number for 3 times. Okay, if the numbers are large, okay, I mean the repetition is very large, that is if it is more than 3, then find the pairs. Okay, and then that's your cube root for that particular number. Okay, you follow the same in this question number b, c, and d. Okay, but it will be better if you know some cube roots or the roots. Okay, like this 144, what will be the square root of 144? 12. 169, 13. Okay, so you must know this. Okay, you can make a table. Okay, just make a table. You can write a table. Okay, and fix on the wall so that you can see it every day and it will be uh, familiar to you. Okay, so that's the way that you can memorize the number very carefully. Okay, and properly. Anyway, so this is 1 by 3 of 9261 225 by 25. Okay, sorry, 25. Okay, yeah, so we know this. What is the square root of 144? It's 12. It's 12. So 12 into 13. Now just multiply this 12 and 13, then you'll get your answer, 156. Very simple. Okay, you must know the square roots of some numbers, but if you don't know the square root, then you know how to find it. Okay, so this is your decimal number, and the number, it seems to be quite confusing, isn't it? So we don't know what it is, how to find it. Now what you will do is that you will convert them into uh, fractions. Remove the decimals. Okay, this is square root is for both the numbers. Okay, 441, and this is your 100. Okay, and the same thing out here. I mean, you will do the same thing. Remove the decimal. Again, 100, because this point, I mean, this decimal point will be 1, and after the decimal point, just count the numbers, okay? And you must write the zeros equal to the numbers, what is present out here, okay? So there are two numbers out here, so you write two zeros, okay? So this is giving you the hint that, what happened? This is giving you a hint that this 441, it has a square, okay? Just like 10, we have the square. I mean, 10 is the square root of 100, okay? So you have to find such a number which can be the square root of 441. So you can use either long division method or prime factorization method, okay? And then write the square root of 441, okay? It will be 10, because 10 is the square root of 100. So I'm writing 10 out here, okay? So use either prime factorization method or long division method that we did in question number 1 of exercise 5.3, okay? So you can start with, if you are doing with this prime factorization process, you can do it with 3, because 4 plus 4 plus 1 total is 9. So this number can be divided by 3. So you can start with 3 if you are doing the prime factorization method. But if you are following the long division method, you know what you have to do. Okay. So 21, you will get 21 as your answer if you do the long division method or the prime factorization method. Okay. You will get 21 as your answer. Okay. And 1764, it will be 42. Okay. And the next step, what you can do is, you can simply multiply 21 and 42. Okay. You will get 882, and 10 into 10 is 100. Okay. So your answer is 8.82. So that's your answer. Okay. So how did I find this 21 and 42? I did the rough work. Okay. So you can do a rough work out here. Okay. And you already know the method. You can use either prime factorization method or the long division method. Okay. Similarly, in question number C, yes, we know what it is. 49, square root of 49, 7. Square root of 5, sorry, 25 is 5. Okay. Then we have a division sign out here. Okay. After that, square root, I mean the cube root. So we already know from this first question, sorry, from this question number 3, it is going to be 7. Okay. So 343. Cube root of 343 is 7. Cube root of 125 is 5. Okay. After getting this particular number, now what you will do, you will simply do what you will do, the BODMAS. Okay, you will follow the BODMAS. It's very simple. Mm. Now how to follow this BODMAS out here? What do we do? Because this 5, it cannot be divided by 7, isn't it? What you could do already here is, you can solve this first. Okay. solve these two first and solve this, because they are the cube roots, and then you could do like this. That is 35. Okay, you can write the division sign out here. Okay, and then 35, so your answer will be 1. Okay, so that's one way. Okay, now the other way, after reaching this step, you have to follow the board mass. Okay, sticking to the board mass, what it will be, it will be this. Oh, 5 by 7. uh, no, that will be completely wrong. Yeah, so what you do is, okay, so what you do is that first you will just solve this two first. Okay, solve these first, and then these, and after that you follow the step. That is 7 into 5 is 35. Okay, sign of division. Okay, 7 5 is 35, equals to 1. Okay, solve these first. Okay, because this is your square root. Okay, and this is your cube root. Okay, solve the square root first, and then the next is the cube root, and get your answer. Okay, and follow the same process in question number D also. Okay, in the next page we have the word problems. So question number D, what you have to do, by which number should 32768 be multiplied to get a perfect square? Okay, so we'll do this in the next video. Okay.